Alright, so in today's video, we'll be diving into the steps on how to create a PayPal account in Ghana. This PayPal account will be working 100%. I'm going to dive into how you can verify your PayPal account and then the requirements you need to create a PayPal account. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you do your best and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. If you don't understand anything, leave your comments down in the comment section. I'm going to come there and then we're going to discuss everything. PayPal is not available in Ghana. So to create an account with PayPal, you need to go round the hard way. So you need some few requirements to set up your PayPal account. The first thing you need is a new Gmail that hasn't been signed up with PayPal before. The next thing you need for your PayPal account is an ID card, national identity document or passport or whatever document you have that is required on PayPal. Another thing that you need is a bank account, and I recommend Payoneer US bank account. You can link this to your PayPal account because I have linked it before and it works for me. Now, first things first, let's dive into the tutorial. Head on to any browser and type in paypal.com. It will take you to this page you are seeing. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the US flag that you see. We're going to switch the country to United Arab Emirates. So it's in Asia Pacific. It is going to take you to a new home page for UAE. And so click on sign up for free. Select business accounts. All right, click on continue on, and then to take you to a page where you have to input your email address. Type in your new email address that you created for PayPal. Click on continue and type in a new password that you can actually remember. All right, from there, click on continue on. It will take you to a page where you need to type in your business contact. So it's going to ask you for your legal name and then your business name. What I mostly do is that I head on to a new browser and type in trademark sign. From there, I click on enter and I'm going to copy the trademark sign and then put it on my business name. This makes the business name look more professional. From there, I'm going to type in my business number and then I'm going to select Ghana. So look through and then select Ghana. Select Ghana and then type in your Ghana phone number so that they can send you a one-time passcode on that phone number, right? So type in your number. For the PO box section, type in your town that you stay in. For the city, type in the community that is in the town that you live in. The next thing to do after this is to select the Emirates. Now, I mostly select Abu Dhabi or Dubai. So I really love Dubai. That's why I select Dubai. The next thing to do is that your currency, you should leave it at US dollar because it's the most accepted currency. Approve the user agreement and privacy statement for PayPal because that is PayPal's policy. Check through if you have made any mistakes and correct them. Click on agree and continue. It will take you to a page where you need to type in what type of business that you are offering to your customers. So it says describe your business. What you need to do here is select individual and sole proprietorship. I'm going to type in phone. It's asking me that the only option for phone is telecommunication equipment. Click on that and click on continue or next. Type in your date of birth, use the correct details, type in your nationality, I'm a Ghanaian, and then type in your identity card. If you have driving license, whatever card that PayPal requires from you, type it in. I'm typing in my identity card. Once you are done, click on continue and then voila, this is your PayPal account. You have no problem creating this. I have no red flags, no nothing. Just type in the right information to PayPal. Most of the times, PayPal will send you a list of emails to verify. So the first email right here is this one. So I'm going to click on it. Verify your business, something. Right, click on continue information now. And it will take you to a PayPal account where there's nothing going on, blank. Click on this one, set up your PayPal business account. Click on get started. And it's going to take you to the PayPal account again. This is to make sure that you're a human being, all right, not a bot. All right, the last thing is to confirm your email, which is verifying your PayPal account. And that is the first stage of verifying your PayPal account. The next verification is to verify if your bank account is legit or your Visa debit card is legit. So this is where you have linked a card. And make sure that you verify your email as fast as you can, all right, so that PayPal doesn't flag you as a bot. That is the account now, no red flags. You can link a card to it. So click on see details right there. It's going to take you to a place where you can link a card. And the right bank account to link to PayPal is Payoneer. All right. You can see once you click on link bank account, it is going to give you a bank account in UAE. Scroll down and then select link US bank account instead. And that is where you can link your Payoneer bank account. And if you want to sign up to Payoneer, I'll leave a link in the description. You can sign up. I have a full video coming up on how to create a Payoneer account. Okay. All right, this is one of my old accounts that I use regularly, my business account. And you can see that I've made previous transactions. It's working perfectly right here in Ghana. All right, 210 and a whole lot. Most of you might not believe that I've linked a card. So I'm going to head on to account settings and go to money, banks, and card. Right here, you can see that I've linked my Community Federal Savings Bank account. And this bank account is affiliated to Payoneer. And so you can actually link a Payoneer bank account to your PayPal account. All right. And enough being said, I am tired of talking.